Today I'm going to be showing how to disable Windows 10 tip alerts that you might be receiving on your computer. So if these are frustrating to you and you would like to disable it, this brief tutorial will go over the brief process of how to do so. So we're going to start by heading over to our start menu, and we're going to left click on the start button in order to get to it. And then we're going to left click on settings. Then we're going to left click on system. Then we're going to left click on notifications and actions. Underneath this option that says show me tips about Windows, if it's currently set in the on position, left click on it on the bar that says on, and make sure the little dot is all the way off to the left. It's a clear fill, so there's no blue, it's all white, and it says off right here. So make sure all of that is done, and once you're done with that, you can close out of the system settings and you should be good to go. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.